Today, I'd like to introduce you to NEOANTIOX, the most powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant supplement, and a few ways you can use it in your daily routine. NEOANTIOX contains only 5 ingredients inside of all vegan veggie capsules. They are turmeric, 95% curcumin, ginger, AMLA, also known as Indian gooseberry, and black pepper extract to increase the bioavailability of turmeric by 2,000%. We will have another video to describe all of the health benefits of each one of these spices. There are 3 ways we suggest you take NEOANTIOX. The first is as your daily supplement, taking 3 capsules in the morning and 3 capsules in the evening. The second is our Golden Milk tea, simply made with NEOANTIOX, non-dairy milk, and your sweetener of choice. The third, and probably the easiest, is our Neo tea. Also, just 1 capsule of NEOANTIOX and some boiling water. Perfect, easy to go. For the Golden Milk tea, it couldn't be easier preparation. Fortunately, all of the NEOANTIOX capsules have all the delicious flavorings that you'd need, including ginger, turmeric, and AMLA. So, in some cases, a sweetener is not necessary. But if you like your drinks a little bit sweeter, we would suggest that you add some maple syrup. The easiest way to take apart the veggie capsules are to grab each opposing end and simply squeeze and twist. After you've opened 3 NEOANTIOX capsules into your favorite cup, you're going to take warm or hot non-dairy milk. Our preference, which we always suggest, is soy milk that is unsweetened and unflavored, and pour it into your NEOANTIOX. At this point, because there is a natural sweetness from the non-dairy milk, you have your option to add a sweetener or taste it as is. Our sweetener of choice, what we like to use, is sweet 100% pure maple syrup. I add about a teaspoon to begin with, just a taste. A nice stir, make sure everything gets dissolved. And there you have your golden milk tea. So next we have our NEOANTIOX tea, or what I call is our comfort tea. Because it has ginger and also black pepper extract, it has a nice warming effect when it's ingested. Simply take 1 capsule of NEOANTIOX. We're going to once again grab each opposing end. We're going to twist and massage the contents out. Have some boiling water and simply pour into your favorite mug. Stir and enjoy. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. If you like what you're seeing, please like, subscribe, and support our cause.